greetings from Indian Machine Tool Manufacturers Association. We organize MTEX. MTEX is India's biggest machine tool exhibition. Not only India's, but it is also one of the biggest machine tool exhibition in Southeast Asia. India is now the 5th largest economy in the world, and with the improvement of India's economy, the manufacturing and machine tool sector is also growing. So with that growth, we want to go out from the market where we do our MTEX, which is Bangalore, to the other parts of the country. And we feel that North Indian market is a very important market for us, and that's why we are organizing the DMTX, which is Delhi Machine Tool Expo. DMTX will be organized from 24th to 27th of August. This is the 4th edition of DMTX that we are doing, and this edition we think it will be much bigger and greater than the previous editions. This DMTX will be spanned across 3 halls of Pragati Maidan, which is hall number 11, 12 and 12A, over an area of approximately 12,500 square meter. In terms of the technology that will be displayed in DMTX is basically the metal cutting, metal forming. Also, along with that, we will showcase digital manufacturing comprising of Industry 4.0 solutions, and also there will be metrology solutions which will be displayed. So with that, DMTX will be a comprehensive show out of MTEX, and I personally feel that whoever will be part of this show will greatly benefit in terms of their business growth. So I request all of you to come forward, register yourself and be part of DMTX 2023. Thank you.